Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm gonna discuss something very important with y'all. You know, there are 7 planets which are going to be in the sign of Capricorn on 11th February 2021. This is gonna be an Amavasya, and it is a Kal Sarp Dosh chart on this day, a very important day. But some people over the internet, over YouTube and several other platforms have been spreading the fear. Those people are saying on this particular day, on 11th February 2021, there will be a lot of chaos in the world. Those people who are spreading this terror, this fright among people, they are saying that there will be an earthquake, some people may pass away, some are saying that there will be a tsunami. Some people are saying that some zodiac sign people may fall ill very badly. Some are saying that the world will end on 11th February 2021. You know, I am shocked, I am appalled, I am horrified listening to these sort of statements over the internet, over YouTube. And I'd request all those people who are spreading this fear not to spread such terror and fright among people. And now I'd like you all to see the birth chart of 11th February 2021, and then I would give my verdict on it. You see, if somebody is calling a spade, I don't object to that. But my only objection is, and my only prayer to all those people is that do not spread fear, fright or panic anyone in this world unnecessarily. So let us look at the chart of 11th February 2021. You know, this is the birth chart of 11th February 2021. You can see that in the Capricorn sign there are 7 planets, and the planets which are in the Capricorn sign are Venus, Moon, Pluto, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun and Mercury. Mercury will be retrograde on that day, and Rahu will be aspecting all these planets. Rahu will be exalted in the Taurus sign and Ketu will be exalted in the Scorpio sign, and Mars will be in its own house with Uranus, and Mars will also be aspecting its own house of Scorpio. So you can see that in the house of Saturn, in the Capricorn sign, there are 7 planets. This is also going to be an Amavasya day, and above all, it will be a Kal Sarp Dosh chart. You see, this particular conjunction where you are seeing 7 planets in Capricorn, I'd like to tell you all, do not fear this. Even though Rahu is aspecting all these 7 planets and it is forming a Kal Sarp Dosh chart, then also I am telling you all not to fear, not to frighten yourself with this conjunction. I want to tell you all that do not get demoralized with such a conjunction. I am vehemently, vociferously, very strongly telling you all, please do not fear this conjunction. My prediction about this conjunction is that there will be nothing happening on this day. I want to categorically state today in this video that this is gonna be a very normal day. Nothing terrible is gonna happen on this day. Nothing bad is gonna happen on this day. Nothing untoward is gonna happen on this day. And it will be a very normal day for most of us. I would say that 99.99% of the world will not be affected by these planets. But just because this being Amavasya and it is forming a Kal Sarp Dosh chart, and just because there is a cluster of planets in the Capricorn sign and Rahu is aspecting it, you should do some remedy so that your future remains protected. You see, I'm gonna tell y'all a remedy just now, and if you do this remedy, I can certainly say that you will not face a problem because of these conjunctions. And the remedy is that you will have to find 10 poor people and you will have to give them 11 rupees each. So you have to give 11 rupees each to 10 of those different poor people, and additionally you will have to give them 1 kg of white rice to all those poor people. So if you do this remedy, then I am sure that this conjunction will not affect you in any way in February or in the future. But I'd like to give a warning to some people in this world, and the warning is to those people who are gambling. Let me warn those people who gamble that do not gamble from January 15th, 2021 to 21st February 2021. Because if you gamble between 15th January 2021 and 21st February 2021, then there is a strong chance of you gamblers losing money. Do not gamble during this period, because I can see that if you gamble during this period, your capital will get wiped out. You will go into deep depression because of this loss in your gambling trades. Do not make any fresh investments in the stock market at this point in time, because these investments which you will make during this period will not yield any profits for y'all. So beware, gamblers and people who want to invest in the stock market. You see, if you gamble during this period, it is most likely that you will lose a lot of money and you will never be able to recover that money in this life. So be careful. Well, personally, I do not want to talk about problems only. I want to talk about solutions as well. I want to tell y'all that if y'all are facing any sort of problem in your life, then you can show me your horoscope and I can give you certain remedies for those problems that will eradicate those problems permanently from your life. Well, if you all wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, if you want a life full of love, peace, calmness, progress, success, tranquility, and you want to take your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. Do not fear 11th February 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.